Hello beautiful people, it is Wynne Jean, and today I want to show you guys how I got these Beyonce braids. Yes, I was super inspired by Beyonce's ELLE photo shoot that she did with Lena Matsoukas. I hope that I am pronouncing that properly, but it was absolutely beautiful, and I loved the large parts that she did. They were like abnormally large parts. The braids gave me I braided my hair at home and I don't care if you like it type of vibe. I don't know, it was very undone, and you know that's my vibe. I loved it. And so if you guys want to see how I got this look, then let's just go ahead and get into the video. So yeah, back to the video.
You want a supermodel pose like my real friend Wynne?
Okay, so I'm gonna do mine pretty big. So I'm starting by parting from like ear to ear. So I parted out from ear to ear. I'm honestly not worried about the parts being too perfect. So now I'm gonna just break this section into 3. And then this is gonna be my first row. I'm hoping this style doesn't take anything longer than an hour, because girl, it is Christmas Eve and I do not have time. So I feel like this would be a lot easier with my hair damp. So I'm using this As I Am Restore and Repair Jamaican Black Castor Oil water. I've already put oil and stuff in my hair when I braided it out to dry it, so I don't want to add too much oil. Have my pillows all dirty, but I got my Eco Styler gel ready to go in case I need it to help me to smooth. So I'm gonna just start to braid. Let me zoom you guys in. And I'm just gonna start braiding like normal. This is my first piece of hair, and I'm gonna grab it and just blend it in to the sections. I'm basically just doing a knotless braid. And then I'm gonna add another piece. Now I'm grabbing a piece with a little of that 613 in it to give it some color. I'm gonna just add a little bit of gel because I want to keep the braid as smooth as possible. Now I'm getting closer to the bottom, and this strand is starting to thin out a bit, so I'm gonna just grab a little bit more hair. Every now and then I'm just brushing it out and adding a bit of gel to keep everything tidy and smooth. And I don't want them to be too long, so I'm gonna stop them here and just keep braiding it and braiding it and braiding it until it's all the way at the end. And if you need to, you can borrow hair from other sections. So this section is particularly thick and this one is kind of thin, so when I cross over, I'm gonna just take a little bit from this section and then add it to that one until they all even. And you see we got that Beyonce color mix using those 3 colors. And there was a bit of loose hair at the end, so I'm not gonna bother with braiding all the way down. I'll show you what we'll do with that at the end. So this is my first one. Let me zoom you out so you can see, girl. So ignore my filming room. This is the first braid. I'm gonna come back when I get closer to the top and I can really show you guys. Okay, so the back row, done. For this next row, I'm gonna part it from my temple to the other temple. This is gonna be the second section. Because I broke the first section into 3 pieces, I'm gonna make this one parted down the middle so I can keep my little brick pattern. And she had really big sections, so I'm only gonna break these into 2. Now I may need to do 3 because my hair is super thick. we'll see. We shall see. So hey y'all, so I'm on the phone with my dad. Don't mind my earphones, but I just dipped the ends. I'm just waiting on them to dry. So as you can see, it's gonna put a little bit of curl there, and I'll come back and update you in like an hour. Okay, so this is the final look. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. It's super easy, super simple, and it doesn't have to be perfect. So if you mess up, girl, just keep going, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like this video if you liked this video, and comment down below whether or not you would wear this hairstyle. I'm kind of interested to see who would actually wear this hairstyle, because I feel like it's very fashion. Granted, I did get the inspiration from a magazine, so it may not be super wearable to most people, but I've been feeling it. And if you liked this video, then you would love sis right here, okay? So subscribe to her and watch this video now. Watch this video like now.